Let's jump into Illustrator, create a artboard and draw shape for the top part of the package, and then adjust it. Let's move to the bottom and also add another one. We may change that later. Give the product a name, Maki, of course, and then select a good font for that and adjust its color. Right, that's good. Give it a product name. This is not a yogurt, it's yogurt, so ignore the typo. Okay. So let's move ahead and draw a shape for the bottom part of it, just a sketch in the paintbrush, but you can change this later, readjust it to make sure that it fits perfectly to the bottom part of that. But I think with time we'll have to change it and use the one that we have on the top of the design, okay? Yeah, that will be a good one. So 100% natural. You can set fonts of your choice, and remember when designing these, you just need to get creative. You don't have to do what I'm doing exactly. This is just a guide, okay? And remember, this was about 40 minutes of creating, but it's been compressed to about 6 minutes, okay? Yeah, so you can slow it down and watch every step carefully, and try doing it on your own. So you can do the artwork in Illustrator and later on create mockups in Photoshop. So let's write the 250 ml for the product, and now I think it's time to change that. Let's copy what we have from the top there, duplicate it, and flip it horizontally and make it a little bit small. Adjust the colors. I think I'm good with that. And now what you're going to do is readjust the artboard so that you have 4 sides. So create a clipping mask using a rectangle. Make sure the rectangle is on top, right click on it and then select clipping mask, okay? That's how you do it. Once done, drag it to the side, increase the size of the artboard so that it fits the different sides. Let's make duplicates of that by holding down Alt and dragging to the side so that you can create different kind of content for each side. So our description, just a brief one. Good. So you can give it a description of your own, but remember, the client will always give you a product description, the ingredients and stuff. Yeah, so I did not want to go overboard with this, just a basic thing to set the pace. Yeah, but you can always choose your own style of doing it. You don't have to do what the other person is doing, as I said. So let's move to the ingredients. Once this is done and we are okay, we can reduce the flowers and stuff. Yeah, so let's have ingredients. We can create some custom bullets for each of the ingredient and make sure that they are spaced out correctly and align them. Okay, let's write the ingredients: water, air, gas. Alright, just kidding. So you're also going to get ingredients from the client once done. Right, that in case this is too fast, you can watch my first video on product packaging design. It's very detailed. It's about 1 hour long. Yeah, it will give you a step-by-step guide. But this is also good for somebody who is not a complete beginner. But if it's a very, very first time, you need to understand the basics of Illustrator. Kindly go back to that video. It's called product package design process, okay? Yeah, in Illustrator, Dimension, and Photoshop. So I think we are good. Let's now finish on the back part of the design. So let's see what we can put there. Can make it a little bit small and try the manufacture date, expiry date and stuff. Those details, you'll also get them from your client. Okay, I think that's good. They are all aligned, and now we're going to make sure that everything is well centered, everything is in place, so that you don't have an ugly design. Okay, yes. So let's see how that looks. I think it's perfect. So let's move each side, adjust the sizes, bring them to the center. We can reduce those flowers. I think the 250 ml is appearing too many times, so we might want to change that so that it's only on the top, on the front and back view. Okay, we don't need it on every side. Actually, it will be annoying. Yeah, so we can duplicate that vector shape so that we can use it on each side. Yeah, just hold down the Alt key Hold Option key in Mac and drag to create a copy. Okay, so far so good. I think the progress is good, and make sure that you don't have these spaces because they will bring some sort of inconsistency. We want a seamless design, like what we have, the effect on the top and bottom, we want it to be seamless on all sides. Yeah, so you really have to be careful on making readjustments to that. So move them closer to close in those gaps and make sure it fits the artboard. So let's create artboards for each single side. Yeah, we need to export one big side of it and also the small bits we have. So copy paste, hold on Alt and drag, and then we create some cool mockups in Photoshop. So let me know what you think about this, and if you have a design or branding project in mind, feel free to contact me. Thank you for watching.